Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to make mutton drumsticks curry. For that, switch on the stove, put a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of oil. After that, you have to add 1 cup of onions and green chilli and mix it well. Now you have to add salt, little pinch of salt, turmeric, and mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. After going raw smell of ginger garlic paste, now you have to add boiled mutton. We have been already boiled the mutton till it becomes soft. Now you have to add boiled mutton pieces into it. For to boil mutton pieces, you have to need little pinch of turmeric, salt, small glass of water, and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. And mutton pieces will become soft. After that, switch off the stove and now add the boiled mutton pieces into the onion and ginger garlic mixture and mix it well. Now we add tomato pieces, half cup of tomato pieces into it and mix it well. Now we add 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder and 2 cups of water and mix it well and boil it for 10 minutes. After boiling 5 minutes, now you have to add drumsticks and mix it well. After drumsticks was cooked, now you have to add 1 tablespoon of Garam masala powder and a handful of coriander leaves and mix it well and cook it for 5 minutes. After cooking 5 minutes, now you have to switch off the stove. And drumsticks curry ready.